This takes place in the scene with the Central Park West Widows and Canasta Investment Club, where they have just about convinced Charlie that he is indeed a leader. They will sing it with him. There will be a verse before it, and all kinds of mishigas after it. Okay. Will everyone here kindly step to the rear and let a winner lead the way? Here's where we separate the notes from the noise, the men from the boys, the rose from the poise, and I be back in the bunch. I came up with a hunch, this was an up and Adam day. It's one of those spells when you hear the right bells and your horoscope tells you to say, oh, will everyone here kindly step to the rear and let a winner lead the way? I hear those trumpets begin to blare, and now I'm Washington upon the Delaware. Will everyone here kindly step to the rear and let a winner lead the way? Here's where we separate the duck from the quack, the ace from the pack, the pip from the Macintosh is back in the group. I came up with the scoop. This was the time to rise and say, I've got in my eyes such a jubilant sky that the 4th of July will seem gray. Will everyone here kindly step to the rear and let a winner